Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your fresh and rebel Rockbox Bold XS speaker with your Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you need to click this power button for a few seconds until this indicator turns on. So click and hold it, and right now you can simply release that button. After a few moments this indicator turns blue. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now you have to go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Right now you have to click to add device, select Bluetooth, and right now select your Rockbox Bold XS speaker. Click done, and at the end you can go to the system settings, go to the sound, and just check this output device. Just be sure that speaker is selected right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.